everyone, it's Elta. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one I'm gonna be showing you how I made the BT21 character Tata, which is Taehyung's character. Quarantine made me love BTS. I am sorry, but it's true. Now let's get started because I'm gonna start rambling. I started with a soft wire to make the little eye pin because I didn't have any because I couldn't get any. So that's how I make mine. I get some soft wire and wrap it around like this, and there you go. A nice little eye pin. Then I took scraps of polymer clay that have been lying there for years, and hopefully they were still very good, to start shaping the heart. As you can see right here, I'm smoothing it out with a toothpick. I don't know if you can see that. And I am shaping this asymmetrical heart the best way I can. And I'm making the lips 3D. I don't want them to be flat, just a painting, so I make them 3D and slice them so they can show well on the doll. Doll, the charm. Why did they call it doll? Okay. Then I take my little pin that I made and I push it to one of the sides of the heart to make it a pendant. Now bake this according to package instructions. For Fimo, this is 110 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After this is done, I prime it with white. If you have white clay, you don't have to do this, but I didn't have any, so there you go. I needed at least 3 layers of white to get it perfectly covered, and now it's ready for actual paint. I take some yellow paint and just blob it on the lips, as you can see right here. This is the same yellow I used for my previous tutorials. If you don't know which one, how I made this paint, you should go see my Poland DIY. There you go, and now I use some toothpicks to take it out of the slit of the mouth so it looks more clean. After that, I take some red acrylic paint and just paint the body. I needed about 2 layers and some fix-ups to get it perfectly covered. And this is actually sped up a lot so you can understand how slowly I was working so I wouldn't ruin the mouth. Be super careful around the mouth, man, because you can really mess this up. I didn't want to mess it up at all because it's so cute. By the way, I don't have a bias. I just like the shape of Tata, which is why I made this. Then I push the little pin in with some hot glue so it stays, and I just paint it around with red so you can't see the glue. Oh, that's so cute. Alright, after you do this, you can go ahead and add the face. I used a toothpick and some black acrylic paint to add the eyebrows, the eyes, and I also painted in between the lips the black, so that's how I saw it in the drawing, which is why I did it. And it looks more cartoony and more like drawn this way. And there it is, a little charm necklace. I just put it on a little bit of an elastic string, and there it is. I hope you guys love it, and I'm sorry for not uploading for a while, but stuff were going on and I have a lot of school classes and all, but I hope you really enjoyed this one. I'm probably gonna make more tutorials now that I'm back, and comment down below what you want me to make and I'll try to bring it to life. I'm focused on my new boutique for now, because I'm, making a lot of stuff. I might tell you which one it is here sometime, and I hope you go check it out when I decide to open it, because now it's not open yet. But thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I'm not really excited because of all the things going around, but I'm gonna try to stay positive and happy for all of you. See you in the next one.